Dr. Akanksha. Welcome to the channel where we talk about skincare, especially skincare for sensitive skin. Today let us talk about niacinamide and why the sensitive skin loves niacinamide so much. So niacinamide, that is vitamin B3, is a very popular skincare ingredient. The pH of niacinamide is similar to the pH of our skin. So it is generally very well tolerated by the sensitive skin and does not irritate the sensitive skin. So coming to the benefits of niacinamide, niacinamide has a lot of benefits and it can be safely paired with a lot of skincare ingredients. Niacinamide reduces acne, reduces dark spots and hyperpigmentation, strengthens skin barrier, it supports skin barrier. Now niacinamide is an anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and it reduces sebum production. So it is very efficient in reducing acne. It reduces dark spots and hyperpigmentation by blocking the transfer of the pigment melanin. So what is the concentration or the percentage of niacinamide that you should be using for sensitive skin? You can use anything between 2 to 5% niacinamide. 2 to 5% niacinamide is generally very well tolerated by the sensitive skin. There is no irritation. If you go higher up, something around 10% niacinamide can irritate the sensitive skin. So you can safely pair niacinamide with a lot of actives. If you have acne, you can pair niacinamide with salicylic acid or azelaic acid. If you have dark spots or hyperpigmentation, pair niacinamide with alpha-arbutin or azelaic acid or even vitamin C. For barrier support, you can pair niacinamide with centella or peptides. So if you have sensitive skin, you must try niacinamide, but be very consistent with niacinamide. Your skin will love it.